9:25 in the morning, Friday, March 28th. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park today, or even the morning, because it still was raining this morning. After we had all this torrential rain. I want to see how this park looks like in about a week. No longer gonna be dry. There's a lot of rabbits everywhere. See, I've seen maybe 10 rabbits already. Oh, you know what? All this water is coming in from the arroyo, I think. I want to walk the other path real quick. Let me see if it'll let me. I don't think I'm gonna be able to cross. Oh, it's too muddy. I won't be able to. I didn't bring my drone, so I won't be able to see all this. Look at the erosion, what it did. I can always go to McKelvey Park. That's probably what I'll do. Let me get out of this mud. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here.